This product is our wireless electronic hand wheel Atway. This is the power button on the handheld end. Control the power switch of the handheld terminal. Here are 3 custom buttons, custom function that can pick up the machine, like fast notes. This is the dead man button. If operation is required, you need to press and hold this button to operate. This is the shaft rotation, shaft rotary switch. It selects the axis in the calculation. XYZ 4566 axis. This is the rate switch, responsible for the speed adjustment and control of the first round. 1 floor, 10 floors, 100 floors. This is the encoder. There are e-by scales in total. Shake it around and send e-by pulses. This is the collective button. Take a picture to disconnect all hand functions. This is the electromagnetic chamber. It contains 2 AA batteries. This is the receiver. Receiver and system connection. Responsible for receiving all signals from the hand wheel and send it to the system.